So overall, the device is good, but it has one issue that I keep seeing everywhere. So, you know when it cleans the dark edges? So I'm seeing here that the device itself, it just runs through cleaning the edges, but at the same time since it bumps so much against the wall, it started leaving its own mark. See if this whole black reason that wasn't there before I bought the device. Now I'm seeing that everywhere it goes, for example, everywhere it goes is actually creating a little bump. It's marking it and so forth. But I'll go here. It's all around the edges, all around the house. So yeah, so just keep that in mind until there's some sort of feature or update that will take care of that. But overall, the device just goes through the edges and just leaves their own mark, making it making it hard to clean after that. But overall, the device is good. Just damages the wall, pretty much.
You can see that the wheels spin fine. It's just the treads that came off.